I'm sure that one ancient siege weapon, namely the catapult, is well known to everyone. Basically, a catapult is a one-armed stone thrower, commonly used by attacking armies. However, building a tactical defense catapult requires some basic research. This video gives you a little insight. Brief summary. Based on the findings, I was able to build a useful tactical catapult, which differs in design and other details from the last one used. More on that in the sequel. Don't miss it.